បាទសួស្តីបាទនិស្សិតទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទយើងចូលនៅក្នុងសប្តាហ៍នេះគឺនៅក្នុង chapter 2 ដដែលគឺយើងតពី national power បាទ foodstuff and agriculture product and minor role the country self-sufficient in foodstuff have an advantage over other nations which lack it in time of war. It will become more clear scarcity of agriculture product limit the power of a nation. For military strength, it is necessary to have highly developed industry for which minerals are necessary. Possession of minerals will strengthen the industrial capacity of a nation. For example, petrol, an important mineral, has created oil diplomacy in the Middle East. Population. Prior to 20th century, a large population was undoubtedly a significant and important source of national power. But in the 20th century, large population is a source of strength and weakness. It will be strength if the state has the means to utilize its talent, energy, and maintain a proper standard of living. A large population has nothing to do with national power. For example, China and India are the most populated state, but they are not the superpower. The age group, sex, etc. also must be taken into account. Too young and too old are not useful. Likewise, if female outnumbers male, it is also not useful for increasing power position. Technology. Technology is the application of physical and biological sciences to engineering industry and other human activity. The technological advancement is a tremendous element of national power which has influenced the world's affairs of recent time by increasing the technique of communication and interdependence of state. Technology influence strategic factor. Sea and now no barrier, and hence the state separated by the sea do not remain attached to each other in any matter whatsoever. Technology has affected the matter of foreign policy. Now foreign policy includes the technological architecture. Increased emphasis on armed control, technological intelligence and communication satellite. Technology has sophisticated war method. New invention proves that the more technologically advanced is the nation, the more is its capacity to influence another nation. The factor can be made up by បាទចឹងយើងបន្តចូលទៅ slide បន្តទៀតបាទនិស្សិតទាំងអស់គ្នាចូលយកទៅដាក់ក្នុងការស្ដាប់ផងដែរបាទ Military war and leadership. Military preparedness requires military establishment capable of supporting the foreign policy pursuit. The significant factors that make military preparedness one are follows. War technology. The fate of nation and civilization have always been determined by superior army using sophisticated technology. The least sophisticated technology always has to face defeat. Leadership. Military leader is the person who makes best use of available resources in the appropriate time to reap the maximum fruit. Victory and defeat in war is associated with its leader. បាទយើងបន្តចូលទៅចំណុច slide មួយទៀតបាទនិស្សិតយើង Espionage and quality of armed force. Espionage today, the success of military depends on effective espionage, prior knowledge of enemy move, location and capacity of forces, etc. will open the way for easy success. The radar and artificial satellite have played an important role in this field. Quality of trained force. Military power is dependent on the quality of and army. Men and army. Modern developed arms will make the victory sure. Israel victory over the Arab state can be cited as an example. បាទយើងចូលទៅ slide មួយទៀតគឺមនោគមវិជ្ជា ideology. Ideology is the body of idea concerning economic, social, and political value and goals with positive action and program for attaining these goals. The impact of ideology in international relations is very wide. It has produced a new cohesiveness within nation and group of nation. Even the geographical boundary fail to limit extension of ideology. However, it can be said that the role of ideology as an element of national power is not so powerful as in the past. បាទយើងចូលទៅ slide មួយទៀតគឺ national moral. Moral is a healthy frame of mind characterized by fidelity to a cause. In the world of Palmer's and Tolkien, moral is a thing, a spirit made up of loyalty, courage, faith, and impulse to the preservation of personality and dignity. National moral is an important aspect of national power, in the absence of which the other factor will not work. National moral is not static. This is the point where it breaks. National moral can be manufactured or simulated by various factors like national character, culture. Okay. Character, culture, popular leadership, popular government, and circumstances make national moral. Quality of leadership. Leadership is the most important element of national power. Without leadership, people can't even constitute a state. Without it, there can be no well-developed technology, and without it, moral is totally useless. The functions of leadership are twofold. Firstly, it coordinates other elements of national power, and secondly, use all the resources for the maximum benefit of the state. The up and down in the history of state can be related to its leadership include the fact of handling foreign affairs. A leader must be capable of conducting diplomacy successfully. A weak and underdeveloped nation can become a powerful nation under an effective leadership. បាទចឹងគឺសម្រាប់សប្តាហ៍នេះបាទ slide យើងមានប៉ុណ្ណេះហើយយើងជួបគ្នានៅម៉ោង live នៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីបាទផ្ទាល់ដែលយើងអាចសាកសួរនៅសំណួរបាទនឹងមានការឆ្លើយឆ្លងនិងពន្យល់ធ្វើការបកស្រាយបាទទៅវិញទៅមកលើមេរៀនផងដែរបាទសូមអរគុណបាទសូមជម្រាបលា